In Harrisburg, police say a 76-year-old bar owner did not fight back during a robbery at closing time, but was shot and beaten anyway. Tonight, that victim is talking only to our Megan Healy, and she joins us live with more. Megan?
Well, Dennis, yeah, we tracked down that 76-year-old man at his home here in Uptown today. Thankfully, he is on the road to recovery, but he told us after 48 years of owning this bar, this is the first time he's been in danger. We saw detectives surveying the scene outside the Lucky 7 Tavern on Maclay Street nearly 12 hours after the 76-year-old bar owner was shot and robbed as he closed up shop. He's known in this neighborhood simply as Mr. Hawk, and everyone here seems to love him.
I'm feel hurt about the situation because I love the man. Everybody love the man. You ask about Mr. Hawk, everybody go to you as a good man. That man never say no to nothing that you ask.
I think somebody probably does know, and of course I do hope they catch him.
Hawk, whose real name is Walter Granison, has owned Lucky 7 for nearly 50 years.
I certainly do hope they catch him.
He told us this is the first time anything major has happened here.
And I used to brag about that. And little did I know that when it did happen, I was going to be the victim.
He says it was around midnight as he was locking up this back door when he saw a very short teenage boy watching him.
And I saw this individual approaching me, and he had a menacing look on his face, and I knew I was in trouble.
So he began running towards the front door in the hope someone might see him. That's when police say a shot rang out, hitting Walter's right leg.
It actually did here.
The suspect didn't stop there.
And then the next thing I felt is him pouncing on me from behind and hit me in the back of the head with something, although I didn't see the gun. Him hit me with the gun, I assumed that it was.
Police say the attacker took about $25 from his wallet and ran off. Walter says he's just thankful he wasn't shot again.
Yeah, I'm very lucky.
And police describe that suspect as only about 5'2" and 15 years old. They are hoping someone who witnessed this or knows who did this will come forward. Now, as for Walter, he told me he is taking the night off, and when he returns to work tomorrow and from now on, he's going to stick with a buddy system at closing time. We'll send it back to you.
And Walter looks great for 76 years old.
He really does, and for just being shot, Dennis, he was getting around just fine today.
Thanks, Megan.
Wow. All right.